Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Fusaka. Strategy, led by Michael Saylor, has acquired 130 Bitcoin for $11.7 million at an average price of $90,000, pushing its total holdings to above 650,000 Bitcoin. The firm continues its aggressive Bitcoin treasury strategy despite falling prices and broader market fear. While responding to concerns about dividend funding, Strategy has established a $1.44 billion cash reserve through recent common stock sales. The reserve currently covers 21 months of dividends, with plans to extend it to at least 24 months. With Bitcoin dropping to $86,000, the company has also revised its 2025 profit and BTC yield projections. BitMine Emergent Technologies, led by FundStrat's Thomas Lee, purchased 96,798 Ethereum last week, lifting its total holdings to 3.73 million tokens, worth about $10.5 billion. The firm continues buying despite falling crypto prices, even as most digital asset treasuries retreat. Well, with Ethereum sliding 6% to just above $2,800, BitMine shares dropped 7.7% pre-market. The firm is sitting on nearly $4 billion in unrealized losses. Now, Lee said that the upcoming Fusaka upgrade and expectations that the US Federal Reserve will halt quantitative tightening are encouraging accelerated ETH accumulation. Japan is preparing to shift cryptocurrency taxation to a uniform 20% rate, aligning it with equities and investment trusts, according to Nikkei. The move marks the country's most significant crypto policy update in years and reflects growing acceptance of digital assets as mainstream investments. Well, the proposal places crypto gains under Japan's separate taxation framework, splitting the 20% rate between national and regional authorities. The change is expected to be included in the 2026 tax reform package, and currently, retail traders can face rates as high as 55%, a long-standing barrier to domestic crypto activity. South Korean lawmakers have urged financial regulators to submit a draft stablecoin bill by December 10, warning that failure to do so will prompt legislative action through the Political Affairs Committee. The bill is expected to be discussed during the National Assembly's Jan 2026 session. The Financial Services Commission stated that no final decision has been made on allowing the bank-led stablecoin consortiums. While regulators and the Bank of Korea remain divided over whether banks should hold at least 51% equity in won-based stablecoin issuers. Vanguard, one of the world's largest asset managers, will begin supporting trading of several crypto ETF products on its platform from December 2nd. Now, investors will be able to trade ETFs tied to Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Solana, marking a major policy shift for the $11 trillion firm. The move follows September announcements that Vanguard would expand access to crypto-focused ETFs for brokerage clients. Well, executives say the supporting infrastructure has matured significantly, and with new CEO Salim Ramji driving strategic shifts towards investor demand. However, Vanguard clarified that it still won't create internal crypto products, especially those linked to speculative assets or meme coins. Bitnomial, a Chicago-based derivatives exchange, is preparing to launch the first US spot crypto trading market regulated by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Well, its self-certified rules became effective Friday, allowing it to list both leveraged and non-leveraged spot crypto products. This approval enables customers to trade and finance digital assets on a federally supervised commodities exchange. Well, the development comes as CFTC intensifies efforts to bring spot crypto activity under federal oversight. The approval may open the door for other regulated exchanges, including Coinbase, Kalshi, and Polymarket, to offer similar products. Kalshi has launched a tokenized version of its event contract markets on Solana blockchain, aiming to attract crypto traders who prefer on-chain prediction platforms like Polymarket. Well, the tokenized products mirror Kalshi's existing markets covering politics, macroeconomics, and other real-world events, but allow on-chain trading and anonymity. The support is already live, with DeFi protocols, DFlow, and Jupiter linking Kalshi's off-chain order book to Solana liquidity. So Kalshi says that tokenization opens access to large capital pools and enables developers to build new interfaces, supporting competitive pricing as the prediction market sector grows. Goldman Sachs has agreed to acquire Innovator Capital Management in a $2 billion deal that will add over 150 defined outcome ETFs to its asset management division. Now, Innovator manages more than $28 billion, including products such as the Innovator Uncapped Bitcoin 20 Flow ETF, The acquisition helps Goldman expand its presence in the fast-growing ETF market as investor demand shifts towards innovative structures designed to limit downside risk. Well, the deal complements Goldman's broader expansion strategy, which includes acquiring industry ventures and collaborating with the MSCI on private equity-style ETFs. The royal government of Bhutan's investment arm, Truck Holding and Investments, transferred 175.44 ETH worth roughly $497,000 between two government-controlled wallet addresses. The move signals continued active management of nation's digital asset reserves, while DHI has long used surplus hydroelectric power to mine Bitcoin, supporting Bhutan's foreign currency reserves. The country has also explored blockchain applications, including plans to migrate its national identity infrastructure to Ethereum, and the latest transfer appears to be part of a broader effort to consolidate and reorganize its digital asset holdings. Europe crypto exchange WhiteBIT has officially launched in the United States under a new entity, WhiteBIT US. The exchange has set up a New York headquarters and secured initial operational licenses as part of its entry into the regulated US market. Well, WhiteBIT US will offer verified users core services, including spot trading, instant swaps, and on or off ramp capabilities. The company plans to expand across all 50 states, bringing its established compliance standards and competitive fee model built from serving millions of European users. So that's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching Free.TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.freeversetv.com or scan the QR code.